Hello, lovely people, and welcome to another video in this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Today, we're going to look at some useful English patterns or expressions that we can use in daily conversation. Sorry to tell you this, but the management isn't pleased with how you behaved.
I'm sorry, it was my fault.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but we use this pattern to break bad news to someone else.
I'm sorry, it was my fault is a reply you can give to admit your mistake. Next is, do you happen to know your friend's home address?
Absolutely. I've already been there.
Do you happen to know? The phrase to happen means to occur without intention, by accident, or by chance. Absolutely, on the other hand, is a strong way of saying yes.
I prefer coffee to tea.
I prefer A to B. A can be replaced with anything, and that goes the same with B. However, you have to remember A is the one you choose over B.
How much does it cost to build a house in this city?
How much does it cost to do something? The word do can be substituted within the verb, while something can be replaced by anything which is a noun.
How long does it take to get from the airport to the nearest shopping mall?
How long does it take to get from point A to B? This pattern is used to ask for the duration or time spent in getting from a certain place to another.
Where can I find a zoo?
Where can I find out? We use this pattern to ask for a certain place, such as a toilet or restaurant.
I'm allergic to dust mites. I'm allergic to something is used when we say we have an allergic reaction to anything.
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living is an expression we use to ask about somebody else's job.
Have you ever gone mountain climbing?
Finally, have you ever gone? Verb ing is yet another expression we use to ask about a person's experience with activities such as skateboarding.